Think your iPhone is private? Think again. Every time you join a coffee shop Wi-Fi or travel to an airport, your data is a target. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your iPhone into a digital fortress using NordVPN. I've broken this down into 10 fast steps, including the set it and forget it trick most people miss. Step number 1. First, you need to set up an account. Pro tip: don't buy it through the App Store. Apple takes a cut and usually costs more. Instead, use a link in my description or scan this QR code. It gets you the exclusive KMT discount that isn't listed on their homepage. For parents or power users, I recommend the Plus or middle tier. It includes a built-in ad blocker and threat protection, which is basically an antivirus for your mobile browser. Once you grab the plan, download the app and log in. Before we even connect, let's secure the app itself. Go to Account Settings by tapping on the little icon on the bottom right and enable MFA. So go to Manage Account, and here's Multi-Factor Authentication. Turn that on. It takes 60 seconds to link it to an authenticator app, but it prevents anyone, even if they guess your password, from hijacking your VPN. Now step number 3, this is the most important step. You want your VPN to turn on automatically the second you leave your house. Under Settings, go to Connection. Under VPN Connection, tap on Auto Connect and toggle on Auto Connect. Set it to Always or on unsecured networks. And hit Allow. Now you're protected, even if you forget to open the app. Step number 4, find your best connection. You've got 4 ways to connect. So number 1 is the Quick Connect. 1 tap for the fastest local server. And then you got the map, great for visualizing where your data is living. And number 3, search bar, type a country, UK, or Japan to bypass regional blocks. You can click the 3 dots next to a country to pick a specific city as well. Perfect for sports fans trying to avoid local blackouts, like so. Step number 5, speed boost. If your internet feels sluggish, it's likely your protocol. Head to Settings, tap on Location and Protocol, by default, it's going to be on automatic or recommended, which is usually the NordLynx, which is lightning fast. But if you're on a restrictive school or work network, you can switch it to OpenVPN, TCP, or Nord Whisperer. This will bypass those firewalls. Number 6. Nord also has specialty servers for specific tasks. So if you tap on Search for all locations at the top and scroll across the bottom menu, you'll see Double VPN, which routes your data through 2 countries, which is overkill for Netflix but essential for maximum security. Then you also got Onion over VPN, Deep Access, which can get you deep web access without needing the Tor browser. Step number 7, tap the second icon at the bottom to turn on threat protection. In this case, it's already turned on. This is a game changer for iPhones. It blocks those annoying pop-up ads and prevents malicious trackers from following you across different apps. It even saves your data by stopping ads from loading in the background. Step number 8, delete password check. Tap the third icon across and find dark web monitoring right here. If your email password ends up in a data breach, Nord will alert you immediately so you can change your credentials before a hacker gets in. You can simply hit the on button here. Step number 9, the security audit. Not sure if you did everything right? Click on the link in the description below to get the PDF of all these steps, and check against those steps to make sure you followed them to a T. Step number 10, hands-free privacy, Siri Shortcuts. The final step, let's make it Apple easy. Hit the profile tab, now tap on settings, scroll down and tap on Siri Shortcuts, and you can set up a command like, "Hey Siri, secure my connection." Now you can go ghost mode without even touching your screen. If you ever have trouble connecting, don't panic. Usually just switching to OpenVPN TCP or toggling airplane mode fixes it instantly. Don't forget to use that link in the description to lock in the lowest price. If this helped you secure your iPhone, drop a secure in the comments so I know. Thanks for watching, stay safe out there.